Today, February 1st, 2020. See how many trucks are parking or running in front of a yard? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are 2 more, 3 more, 4 more, 5 more parking in the site, working site. Oh my, the noise, the sound, the pollution from the diesel engine is crazy. We can see from this side of my house, they're digging dirt and they're building fences. Yeah, I was told by the city of Sugarland that they all follow the regulation and there's no penalty if anyone violates all those violations. Or per their say that's reasonable working hours. What if they're not working in unreasonable working hours? I do have a lot of questions to their project, how the executive, how it works, but there are a lot of disappointment to the city's management. Even they call it the wants to be the 4th best small town in the United States. The governments are spoiled.